Water leaking behind your shower wall. You need to act fast. Hidden pipe leaks can cause serious damage. Here's how to repair a broken shower pipe safely. First, shut off the main water supply. Turn on the shower to drain remaining water. Locate the exact leak spot. Often it's easier to access from the back wall. Mark a repair area around the leak. Carefully cut the drywall open. Remove the section to expose the pipe. Look for cracks, corrosion, or loose joints. Sometimes the fitting is the real problem. Dry everything before repairing. Moisture prevents proper sealing. For small cracks, a pipe repair clamp works fast. Tighten it firmly over the damaged area. For major damage, replace the section. Cut out the broken portion. Measure and cut a replacement piece. Use couplings to reconnect both sides. Clean copper ends before soldering. Apply flux to help the solder bond hit the fitting evenly. Feed solder until the joint seals. For PEX pipes, use crimp fittings. Crimp securely to prevent leaks. PVC pipes require primer and cement. Turn water back on slowly. Check the repair for drips. Run the shower to confirm. Dry the wall cavity fully. Insulate pipes to prevent future cracks. Cut a drywall patch to size. Secure it to framing. Apply joint compound over seams. Sand once dry. Paint to finish the repair. High pressure can damage pipes. A regulator protects plumbing. Insulation prevents freezing cracks. Call a pro for major bursts or when pipes are inaccessible. With the repair done, your shower works leak-free and your home stays protected from water damage. A hidden leak fixed before it became expensive. The right steps make plumbing repairs manageable, and now you know how to do it yourself. Catch problems early to save thousands. Save this guide for future plumbing issues. Follow for more home repair tutorials.